Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best RC monster truck 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best RC monster truck. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience powerful performance and non-stop excitement with the Hayboxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859. Designed for speed lovers and adventure seekers, this high-speed 4WD electric vehicle reaches up to 36 kph, delivering thrilling action on dirt, gravel, grass, sand, and rugged terrain. Its durable off-road design features strong shock absorbers, anti-slip tires, and a waterproof body that allows reliable performance in different weather conditions and challenging environments. The advanced 2.4 GHz remote control system provides stable, responsive handling with a long control range, allowing multiple RC cars to race together without signal interference. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, the truck offers extended playtime for uninterrupted fun and competitive racing sessions. The compact 1/18 scale makes it easy to carry while still delivering impressive power and control. Built with quality materials and a reinforced chassis, the Hayboxing 18859 is perfect for beginners, kids, and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. Whether for outdoor adventures or exciting races, this waterproof 4x4 RC truck delivers speed, durability, and unforgettable entertainment. Its ready-to-run design ensures quick setup, making it an excellent gift choice for birthdays, holidays, family gatherings, and weekend outdoor adventures for everyone. Number 2. Experience thrilling off-road action with the Dirk 9309E all-terrain fast RC car, designed for adults and adventurous teens who crave speed, control, and durability. Powered by a high-performance motor, this 4WD electric monster truck reaches impressive speeds up to 40 kph, making every race exciting on dirt, gravel, sand, grass, or rugged trails. The advanced 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures stable, responsive handling with a longer control range and interference-free driving for multiplayer fun. Built with durable shock absorbers, anti-skid tires, and a waterproof design, the Dirk 9309E handles splashes, mud, and rough terrain with ease. Its sturdy construction delivers enhanced stability and impact resistance during high-speed turns and jumps. The rechargeable battery offers extended playtime, while the ergonomic remote provides comfortable operation for beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. Whether you enjoy competitive racing or outdoor exploration, this high-speed off-road monster truck delivers powerful performance, reliable handling, and non-stop entertainment for every adventure. Featuring precision steering and excellent suspension, it maintains traction and balance even on uneven surfaces. The bold monster truck design adds a racing feel, making it an ideal gift for hobbyists and RC fans seeking excitement. Number 3. Experience high-speed excitement with the Red Cat Racing Volcano 16 scale RC monster truck, a compact yet powerful remote control vehicle designed for thrilling off-road adventures. Built with durable materials and a dependable 4-wheel drive system, this electric RC truck delivers impressive traction, smooth handling, and responsive performance on dirt, grass, pavement, and gravel surfaces. The included 2.4 GHz radio system provides stable control with minimal interference, allowing multiple racers to enjoy action simultaneously. Bright LED lights enhance visibility during evening runs while adding a bold, realistic appearance. Equipped with 2 rechargeable Li-ion batteries, the Volcano 16 offers extended driving time for nonstop entertainment at home, parks, or racing tracks. Its rugged suspension and oversized monster truck tires absorb bumps easily, creating a stable and exciting driving experience for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. Compact enough for convenient transport, yet powerful enough for fast-paced fun, the Red Cat Racing Volcano 16 is an excellent gift choice for kids, teens, and RC enthusiasts seeking reliable performance and exciting outdoor action. Easy controls, durable construction, and impressive speed make every driving session enjoyable, memorable, competitive, and endlessly entertaining for everyone. Number 4. Experience thrilling off-road adventures with the Hayboxing 1/18 scale brushless fast RC car 18859A, designed for speed, durability, and non-stop excitement. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, this 4WD remote control truck reaches impressive speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, delivering an adrenaline-filled driving experience for both kids and adults. Its rugged All-terrain tires and shock-absorbing suspension allow smooth performance on grass, gravel, sand, dirt, and pavement. Built with a strong chassis and durable components, this RC truck can handle jumps, sharp turns, and rough outdoor conditions with ease. The responsive remote control system provides stable handling and long-distance operation, making every race more enjoyable and competitive. Compact in 1/18 scale, it is portable enough for travel while still offering powerful performance. Perfect as a gift for boys, hobby enthusiasts, and RC car fans, the Hayboxing 18859A combines speed, control, and durability in one exciting package. Whether for backyard racing or weekend adventures, this off-road truck guarantees hours of high-speed fun and entertainment. Its rechargeable battery system offers extended playtime, while the easy-to-use controls make it suitable for beginners and experienced drivers alike. Enjoy action, precision steering, and off-road capability. Number 5. Experience unmatched speed and off-road power with this 1/14 brushless RC car for adults. Designed for thrill seekers, this high-performance 4x4 RC truck delivers blazing speeds of over 50 miles per hour with smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The powerful brushless motor provides excellent durability, reduced maintenance, and long-lasting performance for intense racing sessions. Built with a rugged waterproof design, this remote-controlled truck easily handles mud, gravel, sand, grass, and rough terrain without slowing down. The advanced suspension system and high-grip tires ensure maximum stability and control during jumps, drifts, and high-speed turns. Whether you are racing on dirt tracks or exploring challenging outdoor environments, this RC truck is engineered to perform. The ergonomic remote controller offers precise steering and long-range control for an immersive driving experience. Its durable construction, rechargeable battery, and all-terrain capability make it a perfect gift for hobbyists, racing enthusiasts, and anyone who loves extreme RC adventures. Enjoy endless excitement with this fast, reliable, and powerful electric RC truck. Easy to assemble and simple to operate, this high-speed RC vehicle combines professional-grade performance with exciting entertainment for beginners, experienced drivers, weekend racers, and outdoor adventure lovers everywhere.